pros. When it rains, your kids can still play outside and you don't have to worry about tracking mud into the house. Your animals can go outside and play and they will not track mud in. So that is definitely a pro. The yard becomes a much more usable destination. Um, Period. That's it. Like it will become more usable. People seem to shy away from their yard because they're worried about wet grass or just uneven areas in the yard, insects. You don't have to worry about any of that. It's just a much more usable space. Um, and then there's the obvious reason you don't have to water. Um, so that's always a plus, right? Conservation of our water is certainly important. So yeah. Cons, on the other hand, well, preparation is that's the foundation for the longevity of the turf. It really needs to be installed correctly. The sub base. Another con is a lot of times people don't take into consideration, when they transition a yard from, your traditional landscape to artificial turf. If there's already trees in the space, those trees are used to getting what you would normally put down for your lawn as far as irrigation. So to go from irrigation on a regular basis to artificial turf immediately, that's a big shock to the tree. You likely wouldn't notice the damage or the effect that it had on the tree immediately. It would be, 2, 3 years down the road because the tree uses its reserve energy to kind of recuperate from that injury. So again, adding irrigation or keeping irrigation that's there just to supplement and give that tree a little drink because summers can be hot. And, when they're in full sun, the artificial turf is hot too. Um, and then another negative is if you're not washing the turf regularly, if you have pets, there could be bacteria buildup, and that could be harmful to your pets, even lead to death if you're not washing and taking care of that bacteria.